For those who missed in the live, hopefully you just got the blue jay right now, but the live is filled with robins, blue jay several times, woodpecker, not so much focus on the squirrels, but here he is up here. So if you want to catch we have one right here, and we have one right here. So if you want to catch the bird convention that was going on, well, it's still going on, but then watch this morning's live. And I had to move a lot because I was back and forth from one place to another, chasing birds. But I don't ever have blue jays and woodpeckers in any video. Those are hard to get. So, then we have a dove over. No, that's the woodpecker. Right there. Yay. So, there's the woodpecker. There's the squirrel. Shoot, I'm going to turn the light back on.